If you're in an accident in an Uber or a Lyft or a rideshare, it's important that you call an attorney immediately, because the way the insurance companies insure these type of vehicles is very different from a regular car accident. The difference between a rideshare car accident and a regular car accident is how the insurances play out. When you're in a rideshare car, you're basically in a commercial vehicle. That is why it's so important to understand what evidence must be captured at the time of the accident. That includes keeping the application open and saving the information from that ride. In rideshare accidents, be it Uber or a Lyft, you can sustain the same accidents you're going to sustain in a car accident. That's why it's so important that even if you're riding in the back, you use your seatbelt and that you understand that you are at risk of the same type of risk that you are in a regular car. We handle all type of rideshare accidents. Our clients run the gamut from people using the rideshare application to the actual drivers of the rideshare vehicles. In these type of accidents, you have the ability to seek compensation for the same things you would in a regular car accident. That is for injuries, for your medical treatment in the past and in the future, for any lost wages you sustained or future earning capacity wages that you might not be able to collect, and for pain and suffering and mental anguish. In rideshare accidents, the person that's at fault for causing the accident is the one that's going to be held responsible. That could be the car that crashes into the vehicle you're traveling in, or it could be the driver of the rideshare. What makes our firm different from other firms when it comes to rideshare accidents is our vast knowledge of dealing with the Lyft and Uber policies. That means their insurance carriers, understanding all the pitfalls and the little loopholes that exist in those policies to get our clients maximum compensation. During your initial consultation regarding an Uber or Lyft accident, you can expect to have all your questions answered, and you can expect us to give you the accurate information of what insurance coverage exists. When using rideshares, Uber or Lyft, make sure to take all precautionary measures, meaning make sure that while you are on the ride, that the application is open both on your phone and on the driver's phone. Make sure you're using a seatbelt, and make sure that if you are in an accident, you just don't leave the scene or close the application, because then we can't prove that you were a passenger during that time, which is crucial to get proper compensation under their insurance policy.